the best cheap web hosting. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope all of you are doing great. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best cheap web hosting that you can find and what better platform to talk about other than www.racksmart.com. So basically, racksmart.com, what is it, what it does, and why should I recommend it to you? Racksmart.com is one of the best cheap web hosting softwares out there. A lot of people are using it. It's a great platform. It's totally new. It's totally immaculate. And we're going to be discussing a bit about this. Okay. So the best thing about RackSmart cloud servers are that the RackSmart cloud server is available with an amazing low price of just $1.99 per month. How crazy is that? Like, you can host a whole cloud for yourself, a whole server for yourself in just $1.99. That's amazing. $1.99 for a whole host. So basically, let's get into the more technicalities, okay? So why should one actually choose RackSmart? Okay, so to choose RackSmart, you can always come to their website, which is www.racksmart.com. And once you do, you're going to be headed into their main homepage, which is as so in front of yourself. Now, the first great thing that it tells you, it's all the features that it provides you. So the number one reason why you should choose RackSmart is that obviously it's totally cheap and it's like one of the best out there. The other reasons are that it gives you an SSL certificate, okay, only with the $199 plan. Like, how amazing is that? You get a whole SSL secure socket layer protection for yourself. And, that's just one of the great things. Then, obviously, as you can see, it has a bare metal server, which offers optimal performance and control to you. It has great cloud service, okay, which, provide flexible, scalable, and very cost-effective solutions for you. It gives you dedicated server hosting, which offers maximum control, security, and performance for the user that's using them. You have VPS, you have web hosting, managed colo, domain registration, container, and obviously much more, like cloud integration service where you can integrate your service across public, managed colocation capability, one-stop services all across strategic locations, global network services, and superb management capability. You can check all of this out again on RackSmart, and do remember this, you're going to get all of this, you're going to be capable of doing all of these great things in just $1.99. Do remember that. Like, it's extremely cheap. Then, obviously, there's the current promotions that RackSmart provides you. And the current promotions are pretty useful, and they can be found at this URL, racksmart.com/home_en/discount/index.html. And over here, obviously, you can check all their promotions. They have really hot deals right now, like the hot sale, and you have all these different things. Okay, check them out if you want to. You have half price in the first month, new product of bare metal cloud, recharge benefits, VPS free. Then you have all these, dedicated servers with different pricing. So you have the $99, $69, $59, $30, and you have hot selling servers. All of these are great promotions that you can check out for yourself and see if they actually work well for you. Then obviously there's the solutions that RackSmart gives you. Now the solutions have 2 to 3 different stops, okay? So there's the one-stop service and the connectivity. So obviously you can check out both, but the most effective solution in my opinion is obviously the one-stop service, where you can get different types of VIP services, okay? Great customization, amazing global deployment, global managed colo service that we have discussed 2 times already. You get 24/7 support, which is super fast. Like, it's unbelievably fast. You can just message them right now, and they, as you can see, contact us. You can have the call, email, chat option, and you can, opt for any of them, check any of them out, and you're gonna get a reply in the matter of minutes. Like, it's that fast, and it's amazing. Then also, they have great social media profiles, and you can check those out just so you can get the latest updates related to RackSmart if you want to. Their social medias obviously can be found down here. They have a Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube, and you can click on all of them. Like, let's say you have the Facebook, you can click on that, and as you can see, they have a great Facebook page, RackSmart. You can check that out if you want to. Again, as you can see, you keep getting the latest updates, like for web hosting, different price changes if there are, Then they obviously have the Twitter where they tweet their latest changes. Obviously, they have a variety of social media platforms, and it doesn't matter if you're like, like let's say you don't watch a lot of YouTube or TikTok, you must use Facebook or Twitter, one of them. So you can choose any of them and, get the latest and greatest updates for yourself. Now, basically, again, check out RackSmart's cloud server with this amazing low price of only $1.99 per month. And yeah, that's essentially about it. I hope you found this informational and I hope you found this helpful. Please do make sure to check out the link in the description below where you can get more discounts for yourself. Okay, that is also a thing that you can do. You have amazing discounts in the description, and like even with $1.99 you have a lot of discounts that I have provided to you. So just check the description, click on them, opt for them, see if they work for you. If they do, please do go ahead and subscribe to them if you want to. But yeah, again, RackSmart, if I were to give an overview, great cloud hosting service. It's one of the best, it's one of the cheapest, $1.99. And yeah, that's about it. Now, if you found this informational, please do make sure to drop down a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me. Goodbye.